All right, first question is chapter 14, multiple choice 8. So this is the idea of like dissolves like. A little smaller. And we need to look at things that have similar polarity. So something that's polar and polar, those are going to dissolve together. Also remember that ionic compounds behave more like polar compounds. And then if you have something that's nonpolar, that will dissolve in a nonpolar solvent. But you are unlikely to have a polar solvent or solute dissolve with a nonpolar solvent or solute. Okay, so which one of these is least soluble in hexane? Because hexane is just carbons and hydrogens, this is very much nonpolar. So we want to find the most polar thing, and that will be the one that dissolves least in this very nonpolar hexane. Okay, so all of these are alls, meaning alcohols. And, oh, I understand why this is confusing. I would have given you the structures of these, so let me draw those out for you. So pentanol has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Remember, each one of these bens is a carbon. Methanol only has 1 carbon. Let me move these down. So I'm doing these in order. I totally get why this was confusing now. That's a good review anyways. But I would give you the structures of these. Propanol is 1, 2, 3 carbons. Ethanol is 1, 2 carbons. And butanol is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Okay, so this one is going to be least soluble because it has the shortest carbon hydrogen chain. It only has 1. Remember, we talked about if there's a side of the molecule that is nonpolar, then you might be able to dissolve it in a nonpolar solvent. So this one is going to be the most soluble in hexane, and this one would be the least. Again, because the carbon hydrogen chain is shortest on this one, whereas it's longest here. Okay?